Hey, what's up guys? I hope you're doing great. The name still remains Oboypapi, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can grow your YouTube channel from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in a short possible time. That is if you only follow every single step that I do in this video. Okay, so if today's your first time being on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel because I have more interesting videos that you are definitely going to love to watch. So make sure you subscribe to it, and also do not forget to smash the bell so that you get notified whenever I drop a new video. And also, if you like my videos, I will never know unless you like them. So once you're done with that, you can also drop your comment on the comment section so that I get to know what you have in mind. Okay, so let's go straight to the point and start the video.
If I told you I have the best job for you, will you be interested? A once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to earn more than you could spend. All you need is 50 Ghana cedis, and a smartphone to be part of this great opportunity. You will stand the chance to go home with plasma TV, smartphones, laptops, foodstuffs and expensive cars. And also enjoy a luxury vacation around the world. Contact us now to be part of this great opportunity.
Okay guys, so if you check this video description, you are going to find a link where it will take you here for you to be able to get your 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so click on it. You'll find it under the video description. Click on it and it will take you here. Now once you come to this platform, which is Palmpay, I know some of you already got to know about it, but in today's video I will show you step by step how you can grow so fast on Palmpay, okay, without you going through any hassle. Okay, so this is a platform that gives you YouTube subscribers, that is free YouTube subscribers, and you can also buy subscribers from their platform. That is if you want to get to use their services, not just for free, you can also buy, so you grow your YouTube channel quicker than ever before. That is what they are saying. Okay, so Palmpay is a free YouTube marketing platform designed to help you skyrocket your YouTube channel to the next level. Okay, so now let's get started and go to login or register. Okay, you click on menu, it will take you here. Then you click on login or register. Okay, so now it's going to ask you to provide your YouTube URL. Okay, how do you get your YouTube URL? Now the best thing you can do is to go to YouTube and copy your YouTube URL, so that is your YouTube link, so that you can start the registration process. So let's go to YouTube. Okay, so you go to the YouTube app, you click on the app, and you need to make sure that you have logged in into your account. Now click where the arrow is pointing. Okay, now you go to your YouTube channel, that is your channel, the first one. Okay, so as you can see over here, this is my channel, and that is Ultravic, which we created the other time. And if you don't know how to create a YouTube channel, I have a video which will teach you step by step how to do that, and you can check the video description for that link to the how you can create a YouTube channel. Same with the cover photo and thumbnails, and also the logo if you want to create a YouTube logo. So make sure you check the video description for all the links. So going ahead to the channel URL, you need to go to where the arrow is pointing, then you go to share. Okay, then you copy the link. Okay, once you're done, you go back to the platform, that is Palmpay. Okay, then you paste it here. Once you're done, you click on I'm not a robot. Okay, so you need to wait for it to, okay, now you click on let me in. Okay, so as you can see here, you need to enter your email, and the email is what I'm going to use this email. Okay, then you need to enter a password which I cannot share with you guys. Okay, so I'm going to enter my password. Okay, then you need to confirm the password. Okay, you need to confirm the password, so I'll confirm the password. Once you're done, you click on create account. Okay, so let's create our account, then we take it from there. It will load depending on your internet. If your internet connection is really fast, you'll get there. Okay, so as you can see here, our account is now created. We save the password. Okay, So the first one says that want to win guarantee YouTube subscribers, that is $45 value. Enter our weekly giveaway here. Okay, now let's ignore that and come to the main thing. Now YouTube growth plans. Okay, they have plans for YouTube growth. That is, the first one start with free forever. You can use that service for free and you just need to activate it. Now you gain 10 subscribers in 12 hours. Okay, every 12 hours you'll be able to get 10 subs or 10 subscribers using this platform. You like 20 videos, you get 20 videos liked. You sub to 20 channels. You manually activate plan. Okay, so those are the benefits you get from using the free service. Okay, so you get your 10 subscribers every 12 hours. So once the 12 hours is done, you can activate again and get your 10 subs. So meaning that you need to do that every 12 hours. So going to the second one, which is enterprise, you pay $20 per month. Okay, then you get 15 subscribers every day. 15 subscribers every day. And and you also get it activated itself every day. You don't need to come and activate it. It will automatically activate itself. Okay, and also you need to have more than one video. Okay, same with the free service, you need to have more than one video on your channel before you can activate it. Now going to the Elite, which is a $40 one, you'll get 30 subscribers every day. Okay, let's go to the fourth one, which is Celebrity. You pay $80 every month and you get 60 subscribers every day. Okay, so these are the plans that they have for their users. Okay, so let's go ahead. So this is where if you want to buy, you just come here and you select the service that you want. If you want 50 subscribers, you pay $20. If you want 500, if you want 1,000 subscribers, you pay $100. Okay, so I recommend those of you who want to pay for it, you can just buy it here. You pay $100, then you buy the 1,000 subscribers. Okay, or if you want to get it for free, you need to work for it. So let's go ahead with the free service. We are not here to pay, so let's go to the free service. Now I'm going to activate my free service. Okay, you go to activate now. Okay, so as you can see here, it says videos remaining is 20. So it means that we are going to like and subscribe to 20 videos and we get in return 10 subscribers for doing that. Okay, now it says that do not close the pop-up. Your Star Pass account will be banned if you unsubscribe, or all subscribers will be delivered will be removed. Okay, so it's warning you not to cheat, should in case you have in mind that you want to cheat them. Okay, so it says please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so you click on like and subscribe. Okay, it's going to take you to a new tab to open YouTube. Okay, so now it's asking me if I want to use the YouTube app or the Chrome browser, which I'm going to use the Chrome browser anyway. So let me click on just now. Okay, so it will take me to the channel. Okay, so I will subscribe to the channel. Okay, then also like one of his videos. You open the video. Okay, then you like it. Okay, so once you're done liking the video, you go back to the platform. Okay, you come back to the platform. Now you can see that the green section says confirm. Okay, so I'm going to click on confirm to confirm the whole thing. Okay, so it says please wait while we verify your like and subscribe. So it's going to cross check if I actually did do what, subscribe and like the video. So if you are trying to cheat them, their system will detect and you will not be able to get your subscribers. Okay, so it says success. Okay, so it means that it was successful. Now allow it to load. Okay, so as you can see here, it's now videos remaining is 19. Okay, first it was 20, now it's 19, so we have 19 more videos to go. Okay, so you go ahead and do the same thing. So you are going to repeat the same process over and over again, okay, until you are done with all the 20 videos that they asked you to do. That do subscribe and like. So you subscribe, then you like one of the video. Okay, you like the video.
Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages
Okay, once you're done, you go back to the platform for them to confirm if it's working. Okay, so it's counting. Okay, now you click on confirm to confirm it. So please wait while we verify your like and subscribe. Okay, so make sure you repeat the same process over and over again. Every 12 hours you get 20 every 12 hours you get a chance to watch or like or subscribe to 20 videos, and you get in return 10 subscribers, which is a little bit cool. It's easy to do it, so it's successful. As you can see, success. So we go to the next one. So as you can see, 80. So the moment you activate this package, make sure you are done with it before you go back. Or if not, if you don't want to do it, you can just cancel activation. The moment you cancel, you lose everything. Okay, and if you don't finish with the whole 20 videos, you are not going to get your 10 subscribers as they promised you. You get me? So make sure the moment you activate, you are ready to do what? Finish up with the whole thing. So I'm going to finish up with the whole thing to show you how it goes. Okay. Okay guys, so this is the last video. You have activated the starter plan. Okay, so we are done. We have activated it for 12 hours. It means that we are going to get 10 subscribers within 24 hours. Okay, and as you can see, the countdown is 11 hours 59 minutes. So once it's done, it means we can activate it again. Okay, meaning that you can do this twice in a day, because 12 hours plus 12 hours, that is 24 hours. So you'll be able to get 20 subscribers in a day if you follow the steps. Okay, the good news about this whole thing is that you don't get exactly 10 subscribers, you get more than 10 subscribers. After the activation is done, you get more than that, even though it says that 10 subscribers. Yeah, so make sure you follow the steps and you'll be able to get your 1,000 subscribers. Or in case you don't want to do that, there is another way you can do it. That is by purchasing the 1,000 subscribers from their platform, which is worth $100. Okay, and you'll be able to use what do you call it, bitcoins or virtual card or Visa card to make payment for it, and surely you get your 1,000 subscribers without you doing this sub for sub. Okay guys, so I'm going to check if it's actually working or this is just a joke. So let's go to the YouTube studio. Okay, so back then we were having like 2 subscribers. Now we have 16 subscribers. Okay, so straight from 2 to 16, meaning that we have gotten extra 14 subscribers added to it. Okay, so the thing is more like you don't only get the 10 subscribers which they were supposed to give to you. Sometimes it goes up, you get more than that, and that is how it works. Okay, so you can do this all the time for you to be able to get more. Okay.
Me